Tube creams. Tube creams, the do's and don'ts while using a tube cream in order for it to work perfectly on your skin without leaving any yama yama, without giving you stretch marks, without giving you dark hands, without giving you drying out your skin and all that. The first thing that you need to know when you're using a tube cream is that you cannot use any tube cream directly on your skin, even though it asks you to, please don't use a tube cream on your body directly because it is steroid. So many people have made this mistake. The one that is very rampant is the foam bath. All those are steroid. All those are steroid and they are meant to treat problem. So if you're using it as a body lotion, if you're using it as a body lotion, you want to lighten up, then you should not use it directly, except you want to treat a problem. Maybe you want to treat acne or something, your doctor recommended it, and you know that you're using it for a short period of time, maybe like 2 weeks or a week or 3 days, then that is safe. But if you're using it as a body cream, which you know that you want it as a body cream to lighten, you want to treat yourself and you know you're going to be using it long term, then you cannot use it directly. And the next thing I'm going to be telling you is, when you use any steroid, do not add an industrial serum to it. What you want to add to it is a body oil. Don't add industrial serum to a steroid, a lotion that you've added too much steroid. For example, a 250 of a base cream, no, of a base cream, maybe you make use of Franco's Bedon, and you're using 2 to 3 tube cream. There are people that does that. Yes, there are people that does that. Majorly people that have mature skin and do not have sensitive skin. People that have tough skin that cream does not work easily on their skin, they tend to use more. So if you're doing that, then do not go along to add serums. Please, serums are even more concentrated than the base cream you are using. Is highly concentrated, so you need to add body oils, you need to add natural oils, you need to add carrier oils to bring down the content of the steroid, so that instead of it harming your skin, it will beautify your skin and you can use it on a long run. Okay, so another thing that you have to take note of when you are using steroids, so that it gives you a beautiful happy skin. I don't know if you know, when you have a happy skin, like you look at your skin and
Oh my god, you're ready for a party. You're ready for anything.
thing, that's when you have a happy skin. So another thing is, the next thing you want to consider is for you to not make use of a whitening cream and still add steroid, still add a tube cream. Is very wrong. It's very wrong. Despite the fact that you want to do something good, you want to whiten up, you want to lighten up, don't do everything using a cream. There are soaps that lighten, there are scrubs that lighten, and there are creams that lighten. So if you want to whiten up, then you go 3 ways. Don't use one way to lighten, so that you don't ruin your skin. So if you want to whiten up, you can make use of a lightening soap, make use of a lightening cream, and make use of a glowing scrub, so that you will not end up mixing everything into your cream and then you use it and spoil your skin. It's your skin cannot take it at once, please. So the best thing is for you to do 3 mild things, and it adds up and turn your shade bright and brighten your shade. That's the best thing I think you should do. That's the best thing I think would work for everybody. So the best thing is, get a cream. If you're using a whitening base cream, for example, you're using already a secondary cream to try to mix a whitening cream, then you just do 1 tube. Do 1 tube at a time. If you're using a serum, do 1 tube at a time. But if you want to do only tube, then you know that you have to add so many body oils to it. You have to add body oils to it. You have to add it.
You have to. You have to. You have to.
It's important. Another thing is for you to remember that tube creams actually does dries out the skin a lot. So when you're using any cream that you've mixed a lot of tube cream in it, make sure that you are using it not daily, but maybe twice in a week, thrice in a week. Then you make use of body oil, massage body oil into your skin, because tube cream is going to dry out your skin. And please, steroid are not meant for people that have dry skin. If you have dry skin, then you want to do more of serums. Add serums into your thick base cream. Don't add steroid into your cream, because it's going to super dry out your skin, and it's going to end up giving you knuckles and dark areas. It's going to give you this dry cracked skin, and you're not going to have an even skin and a glowing skin. So the best thing for you to do is to do more of oil, do more of serum, concentrated serum that will still lighten your skin. If you want to lighten up, don't do tube are mainly for people that have oily skin, people that have sensitive skin. Sensitive skin uses steroid for a short period of time. So you have to be careful when we talk about steroid. You need to make use of your number six. Like, it has to be activated. It has to be working very well before you can take the risk of going to use a steroid. So now another thing I would like to talk about while using a steroid cream is for you to take a good supplement during this period, because what steroid actually does is that it make you lose collagen very fast. It makes you lose collagen very fast and makes you age faster. So you need to, while you're using steroid, use good supplements, multivitamins, use good supplements, eat good fruits. I'm not a fan of fruits. No, I can even prepare it and put inside my fridge. I will not enjoy it. It's when I have not seen that fruit in the house, that's when I want to eat it. So for me, I love to take supplements like vitamin E supplement, very important. Vitamin E supplement, in take vitamin C supplement that has collagen, that boosts collagen, and also take collagen supplements. Like, take this seriously, so that it's going to help while you're losing collagen. Is adding up for you, and it's helping boost your collagen so that you don't age fast, especially people that are in their 30s, or they've already started giving birth. You see your skin tend to lose, it gets easily thin. This is due to steroid and hydroquinone. So you need to activate all these tips that I've given to you, in order for you to be able to enjoy your whitening cream, enjoy your lightening cream, enjoy your steroids, and use it without people see you're using steroid, but I've seen a very beautiful skin, even better than those that are using pure organics, and they're like, wow, how do you do it? This is the best way to do it. And trust me, you are not going to regret any tips I've given to you today, because if you activate them wisely, oh my god, baby girl,
You will love your skin. You will love your skin.
when you're using steroid, there are days you should not even use a body cream. After having your bath, you just rub, massaging body oils with the damp skin. Don't clean your body with oil. You just massage your body oils before you rub your steroid cream. Baba. After massaging in the body oil, then you make use of your steroid cream, rub on it.
Baby girl, you
You're gonna be glowing and be light, and you won't have any kind of uneven skin, so you won't have any kind of any yama yama that's going to make people turn and like, what is she doing for? What is she doing to herself? You don't want that, and you want the best out of your skin. Everybody loves a beautiful skin. Leave it. No matter how you try to avoid it, like you do not care. When you see somebody that has a beautiful skin inside a place that you are, you will love it. And it's best to take care of yourself. It is actually the best. So my darling, you've seen in the how is it called, the banner that I've introduced business ideas into this channel. Yes, there are some things that I'm doing now to keep up with my, pocketing monies and all that. So in my next video, maybe I am going to be talking about that, and I am going to be introducing it properly. So my darling, thank you for watching this video to this time. I love you so much, and all those people that missed me, please let me know in the comment section how much you really missed me and the videos you want to see more on this channel, and I'm going to do well to do exactly as you say. I'm not going to go beyond what you're saying right now. I love you. I love you. I love you. Bye guys. Bye. Mwah.